How did you know they were going to attack? Annie! Some Jawas must have left it behind or something. How do you know all that? Sometimes I feel the same way. But then I figure people should be allowed to make their own choices. Though I suppose my choice got me stuck out in this blasted storm. Okay then. As long as you make it so I can get off this dust bowl, you've got my vote. How did you end up lost out here anyway? More like a nightmare. So now I guess we just wait? Maybe someone was already looking for us. Annie? If this is a dream, Annie, I wish we'd wake up. Annie? What do I do?